There he is. There he is. Shoot. Shoot. Oh no. Make sure you're perfect, you know what I mean? Don't squeeze it if you don't think so, because we know where he's at, right? Today is Saturday, November the 16th, 2024. It's a little bit before 7 o'clock. Today's the opening morning of rifle season here in Missouri. We're sitting in the potato patch where we've been getting pictures of drawback. This is also an area where PP used to roll through. He was coming through here a little bit earlier in the season, but we haven't had pictures of him in a while. It's been a real quiet morning. Hopefully we can get a good shot at a buck here. Just need something to come out right in front of us and give us a good shot. So it's a little bit later in the afternoon now. We just got back in the stand. We decided to come sit in the potato patch again tonight. We know there's a pretty good chance the drawback could just walk in through here at any time. We haven't really seen anything here this morning. We saw a couple deer walk this ridge right here behind us, but not a lot of deer movement today. It's that awkward pause when you're not seeing anything. You don't know what to say. You're like, yeah. See that giant field out there? It's empty. Today is Sunday, November the 17th. We got in here about 10 minutes earlier than we did yesterday morning, and within a little bit of getting settled down, we had 3 deer run within 5 to 10 yards of the blind that we're sitting in here right now, and a short while later, another one of the bucks went down into the field in front of us and bumped a couple of does. So before it's even shooting light, we've already seen 5 deer in front of us here. This is a spot where we've been getting pictures of the biggest deer that we've had on camera, called PP. He's been running this ridge, and he's been coming to this meadow right next to us, so there's a really good chance we could see him sitting in this spot. We've got high hopes for today. We think there's some hot does around us. Hopefully they draw in some big bucks. Just a few minutes ago, we were sitting here and we saw a doe and a spike come crashing through, chasing, and they started to work kind of down our way, and as we were trying to get on them, a really nice buck, nice little 3-year-old, came through left to right in front of us and went off chasing with them, but a little bit smaller than what we're looking for. You guys are bright. Yeah, you're all just glowing. There's just clouds behind you, you know, you just look so bright. Just a little bit before 1 o'clock now. The 4 of us are about to all head into 2 separate stands down in the east end. We haven't had an active camera in this area for quite a while, but during the summer we were getting pictures of lots of different big bucks, and we know it's a pretty good likely chance that we're going to see lots of stuff coming in there tonight. Good job. Nice. Hey, whatever it takes. You looked confident on both of them. Like, you looked like you were ready, and you were trying to do your thing.
When I got it ready, because she came over here with a little spike running with her, I had the gun ready, and I pulled the trigger. I was just ready for the boom.
For the boom,
come,
yeah,
and it went click, and we didn't have one ready to go. So I was like, get it going, and then we got it and it was fired. So.
Okay. Nice and easy. You missed. Do it again. Go again. Aim lower. You got it. Let's go. Let's go. So where did the other one go?
So it was on that side of the island.
Ooh.
So it ran towards the creek.
Have you went and looked at all?
No.
Okay. Let's go deal with this one and then we'll...
Yeah.
This is Abby's first deer. And that is a big old nanny doe. That's a big one. Nice job.
3. I'm surprised she ran. My 7's dropped everything so far.
Yeah, you long shot her. If you'd have hit her 3 inches to the left, she wouldn't have gone anywhere.
That's awesome.
Yeah, buddy.
Double time.
Can I borrow your phone? You just use mine to take. So AJ, look. Look at me. If you get the phone. Today is Friday, November the 22nd. We're going to be heading to the 14 acres. As we got to the stand, we saw at least one deer jump up and kind of run away from us. Other than that, we kind of slipped in here pretty quiet. Haven't seen anything yet. It's really quiet right now. Not a lot of wind. Lots of squirrels though. Meh. Doe number 1. We were down there in the woods. She ran up here and tipped over. AJ wasn't sure about the footage on that one, if he got that. It was a rodeo up in that tree. We were not set up good, and I finally took the camera off of the arm in the tree and just handed it to him, and so he freehand filmed me shoot this one. Aaron's off to the south side now, and we're gonna go sit in the double ladder stand. Yep. Stands right over there. They're coming right for us. Sunday, November the 24th, 2024. It's about 7 o'clock here in northern Missouri. We slipped into the woods pretty quiet today. We are sitting in the spot that I shot my buck in last year in this hay bale blind on the hill. We haven't seen anything this morning so far. It's just barely starting to get light. There's just a little slight wind, and we're hoping to be able to see drawback. He's been coming through this hill open gate camera that we have here numerous times, but we haven't gotten a picture of him in over a week. He may or may not be around. There's been a lot of shots going off with rifle season being active, but we have our hopes high that we'll see something nice here today. It's just a 2-year-old. She's at like 15 yards. She's gonna walk right behind us.
still recording. It's still recording. Thank goodness. I couldn't see him through all that grass, dude.
That's when I had my best opportunity, unfortunately.
To shoot him right there. Yeah, I finally realized there was that window there. I was like, oh, there's a window. And then it took me forever to find him.
He's just right there.
You see him dead?
No, he's just right there behind the ground. Yeah, just waiting for you to get on him. Yeah, I could see the eye that was blind. I could see it was all milky. Like, that was definitely him.
Yeah. That's a nice deer. That's a nice deer. I don't know if it's like a 4-year-old or what, but that's one that we want to take out. You don't...
I could see he had like a little nubbin on his right side or his left side in that picture last night. So, he's a nice 10.
2 years in a row. Same blind. Same blind.
Lightning strikes twice. I've been hearing thrashing for a while.
Okay, he's back there making rubs.
Like, I might have been hearing it for like 30 minutes, honestly.
Oh, really?
He might have been starting.
It's so hard to film out this tiny window. And they were all back behind us on the neighbors, feeding in the beans. That's awesome.
Another no-name bug. Just about 30 minutes ago, we shot One-Eyed Willie. We're gonna get out of the blind and go check him out, follow up this blood trail, and get our hands on him. Always gotta bring the rifle just in case. Last year we had to finish one off, and never know when it might happen again.
Hey, just let's stay as close to the fence as possible. He went down towards that point where we came in, and we're at a big disadvantage of being seen walking that way, so hopefully he's down right down there. Hey, stop. Let's slow way down and start really looking, okay? Like, on the other side of the fence, everything. And then once we get to that cedar, let's start really looking.
Is that his rub he was making right there?
Yeah, I think so. You do have one reloaded, right? Oh, I smell it. I smelled something too. I don't know if we're downwind of a scrape or something. We're downwind of something. Maybe he came out and peed right here or something.
There he is. Shoot.
Oh no. We're gonna have to let him go lay down.
Followed up on the buck where we had last seen him go, and he had bedded down just right across the fence on our neighbor's property, and we found some decent blood, but we bumped him and he ran off over the hill and
Couldn't get a shot.
There's too many branches in the way, so we're going to formulate a plan to go after him and put the final shot in him and hopefully get him down for good. My dad called and talked to the neighbor, and
they said it was all right for us to go around and get the last shot in him, and hopefully we can do that.
He ran off over this bean field and angled towards the corner of this field that notoriously will bed over there. AJ and I are trying to get down here to set up to possibly get a shot, and my other son is going to loop all the way around and hopefully push him this way.
Oh, there he is. There he is. I see him. I see him. Right there. Laying against that tree. See him? Right there against that tree. See him? Use this as a rest. Let me get in a different spot. Don't let him spot us. You see him right over there? Yeah. Okay.
Make sure you're perfect, you know what I mean? Don't squeeze it if you don't think so, because we know where he's at, right? It is him, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have a shot?
I think so, yeah.
Are you going to shoot?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, hang on. Let's call Aaron and Abby so they're not down range. We're belly crawling to a better vantage point, hopefully. We don't know yet. That tree was a good rest, but there was just limbs in the way, we felt like. Crawl through there, real easy. AJ crawled over there to a better vantage point. Hopefully you can get a shot at him from there. And I stayed back here just like I did last year. Kinda wish I'd have went with him just like last time, but I also just want him to be able to get a shot. Side kind of thrashing his neck. Hold on.
Yeah, I can hear him thrash.
Are you ready to shoot again if you need to?
Yeah, I got him over
Alright, let's go right at him.
there. What?
Right now.
Oh, what?
Huh?
He looks dead to me.
Alright, let's go pick him up.
Oh,
Huh?
dang.
Yeah, he did. I still can't see him. Is he laying in the shadow?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That was a big body buck.
I'm just glad we were able to finish him off. That's the right thing to do, you know. We were back over in there, head over in there, and then AJ crawled up into here. He got a big old neck on him, dude.
Yeah.
Lift him up, buddy. Heck yeah. Hey, hey. Just like last year, not the best first shot, but hey. Yes, sir.
Oh yeah. Finally caught up with our buck. He's a real nice 10-pointer. He's blind in his right eye. We were able to take advantage of the blind eye as we were sneaking up, because that's where he was facing his right eye as we were coming in the whole time. So, and with this good wind cover, I don't think he was ever really able to hear us. I snuck in to probably 40, 50 yards out, and I was able to sneak in an extra shot and was finally able to put him down. We noticed him to start thrashing and knew he had to be done for, and walked up on him, and here we go. Perfect buck to take out, and now my rifle tag's over. You can tell that he really doesn't have a whole lot of time length. He doesn't really score very well, but if you look at his bases, you know, that's a really mature deer. You know, I would say he's at least 4, maybe 5, and he's the perfect kind of deer to take out. You know, we don't worry about score. We're more worried about whether our deer are mature or not, and he's definitely a mature buck. I'm really proud to have shot this buck, and glad we can end it on a high note.
We were hunting over this hillside on the other side of that piece of timber that you see right there. We came all the way around and came down into this ditch to this point and then took another shot. I happened to see the buck laying in the timber back here behind me from the woods as we were sneaking down through here. AJ's like, "Dad, how'd you see him?" Well, because I got those antler eyes. And if you know what that is, it just means I can spot antlers. Just found this bed, which is about 10 yards from where he was bedded and shot. So he probably bedded here for a little while and waited to see if we were going to come straight after him over that hillside and whether he needed to bolt off further, and then probably decided to move into the shade of that tree to be able to see better.
Shot 2 bucks, 2 years in a row, same spot. Feels pretty good. Thank you, Grandpa. Ready to help me?
Now the work begins, just like always.
One more.
Brother, this is your deer. You get to pick words.
Well, do you have gloves? Put gloves on. Why aren't you guys putting gloves on? Right in there.
Ask for my help. Make me touch piss. Not even close.
Didn't do a thing. All I did was get in the shot.
How much shit do you crop for us saying goofy stuff? Or just sounds weird after the fact?
A lot, I'm sure.
Need one of them drag sleds, man.